Hi. Okay, so my name's Messersmith, and here's my second Shiny app. So here it is published in shinyapps.io, and then we can open it up with the link. And so I just called it the retirement contribution calculator for the title, and we can just see the basic layout of the app. So on this side, we have all of the widget options that were required. So the initial salary, the rate of growth, contribution percentage, number of periods per year, the years invested, the annual rate of return, the target amount, and if whether or not the user wants to show the target line in their plots. And then over here, we have our first plot, which is just, oh, and I just set these all to the target or the default values that were listed in the assignment just to start out. Um, and so here are all of the plots for those values. First, we have just a basic timeline after every year, where is our balance, and then we have a shaded region, and then it's kind of interactive because we're using Plotly. We can just see every single year, where is our balance. Um, yeah, and so we have our labeled balance in money over here, or thousands of dollars, and then the year on the x-axis. For our second plot, we're doing a breakdown or decomposition of that actual balance per each year, and we're showing how much of it is due to the user's own contribution, that's the blue part, and then how much is due to the growth of their account, and that would be this more pinkish part. And you can see that has those values for each one. And then again, we have our year and our values on labeled on both our axes. And then finally, we have our data table at the bottom, which is just going to show kind of everything summarized. So after what year, what was our salary, what was the contribution for that whole year, what was the balance after that whole year, and then we break that down, we break the balance down into what was our own, and then what was the growth, what part of the balance was due to the growth of the account. And then we have both of those percentages, so the own percentage, the growth percentage, and finally if we hit our target amount or not. So now just to show some cool features, we can say, do we want to show the target amount on our table? On both of our plots, I just added this purple horizontal line to show where the target amount is. And you can see that's in both. And then just to show maybe a different example, we can set that maybe someone makes $100,000 to start off with a 4% rate of growth. Maybe I want to give 17% every period. And instead of monthly, maybe I want to do quarterly periods. Instead, let's make 15 years of investment just so we can give a really large estimate. Maybe this goes up to 13% annual rate of return. And finally, let's change our target amount to $550,000, just the so we can see that that's our target line is updating and also updated here. So we can kind of see the threshold and we just see how things are changing with each year. And then again, a cool part of this is instead, maybe we want to show more entries, the 11 or to 10. We can also there's another page which shows all of our entries. So yeah, I think it meets the requirements of the assignment and it was fun to make. So thank you.